And the dog's coming. Look. Change the game all again. Everybody walk out the time. Go. Carol be playing, bro. She was, bro. She definitely be ready to kill these dogs, man. No cap. That's why I just be like, man, let me just hold her down. I want to walk the village. Like, we can walk on that side. It's just, But yeah, we out here again. She had to go to the bathroom. I'm choking. Like, eating bones, I keep telling her don't eat them, bro. Every time I come on, I was like, bro, I gotta start walking on that side. I mean, I'm walking. Every time I'm walking, she gonna send some water. Ready to go back there. But yeah, man. Alright, bet. I got you. And I gotta finish my night vlog, too. I gotta finish this bitch, too, because I ain't finished it yesterday. Damn, we back at it. That's what we do. Night vision. I don't need night vision this time. You know what I mean? Got 2 flashlights. I'm saying, walk them in, walk them out. Type of mood, you know. I just want to fuck me, bro. Yeah, my character, fuck it. I have good fucking girls. Good shit. Good. Good girls. Good fucking girls. That's a girl. That's a fair shit, bro. She don't play. She don't play at all. I don't know what this shit mean. These cats, bro. You see them cats, girl, you know, fuck them up. Any dog or any cat, she'll probably fuck them up. Oh shit. That's her. She hold her back. Strong as hell. And she don't play. The girls. It's okay. Relax. She real hot right now. I know she is. White hot. Temperamental. I ain't want to talk. Anchor. There it is. Excuse me. Fart. Excuse me. Go get him, cat. Oh, yeah, probably tap her out on the fucking floor. Go get him, cat. Go get him. Where do you see him at? Go get him. Go get him, girl. That's shit. Fucking girls, man. I tell you, well done. I'm happy, bro. Well fucking done. Tell him what's up. I always say that shit. Tell him what's up. Let them fucking know. Let them fucking know. We kind of young, where the fuck you want to go, but we'll see if she though. Just cruising with her. You should let her chill. Let her. Come on, like 9 that shit. Nah, it's close to her, bro. Nah, it's close to her at all. Nah. Hold me down for hold me back. Bro, there's a spider web on me. Come on, Cap. Yes, there is. There is a spider web on me. Gonna lay just now. I know there's a spider web. I know I can feel some shit. But yeah, man, I cannot see shit in front of me. No, I just saw it is, bro. It kind of like the work. Anything she see, go get it. And Darius be running away from her. Fucking, you see coyotes in a minute. Last time you saw coyotes, you might see one right now. But it's let her hunt. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, turn the leg. Mom's in the truck and I just walk past her. I don't want to be on her. We do. We'll find what you found. Like, dogs are very sensitive to everything. That time, the best way they could have asked, connect to anything. That's why I tried to put the camera. I tried to put the camera through her eyes because that's how you blind them. They gotta see shit at nighttime, so yeah. So many fucking flies, bro. Them little fucking white shits. I hate those. If I take my camera and play that shit. I'm trying to take my clothes off. The girls. Girl did not play. Play no games, man. You know, one of y'all gonna get fucked up. That's what I heard. For sure. I always say that. Best me believe that. Her fucking sin ain't that right. Yeah. Her sin all the time. And she throw. Wow. That's the word too. They said motherfuckers up here and shit last night. Niggas been saying something out here. I don't know.